Hey guys, it's Ryan with the Ryan Smith Home Selling Team here to discuss 3 reasons why your house may not be selling right now. Hey guys, it's Ryan. So if you're a homeowner and you're trying to sell your house right now and you're having some difficulty selling your house, know that you're not alone. There's probably a lot of other people out there who are in that same situation as you. But what we found is generally there's 3 issues that a lot of houses and homeowners are having that's keeping them from selling their house. So let's kind of evaluate and look at those 3 things together right now. The first one is pricing problems. So this is really a very common issue. A lot of people wish they could get more money for their house or wish that the market was like it was a couple years ago. And it may not and is not there anymore, right? It may not be and is not there anymore, right? So, what may be happening is that price is so high and is being priced so high that it's turning a lot of buyers away from your house, right? So in most cases, if you listen to your agent's advice and price it appropriately for the market, you can see that can make a big difference, right? So that's often determined by looking at comparable sales and seeing local trends. But if you drop your price in alignment with where the market should be, that's a big one. And that would certainly make a big difference in getting the house sold. So number one, there would be a pricing problem. Number two, there could be a product problem. So that would be if people are coming inside your house and there's certain things inside your house that are turning them off towards your house, these are things that might need to be addressed. It could be bold colors in a room, or an awkward layout, some areas that are overly dated, or just some things at the house that are clearly not attractive or wrong. If you let those things be and don't address them, they can actually stop you from being able to sell your house. So, certainly pricing could be a big issue. The product, if it's not done right, if it's not decluttered and looking good, that could be your issue. And then finally, you could be having some marketing problems. So your agent or yourself, if you're selling it for sale by owner, you guys may not be getting it out in front of the right people. You may not be getting enough reach with your marketing to make sure people are seeing your house for sale as an option and then choosing to come see it. And so sometimes that's in the presentation of how the agent puts it out there. Sometimes it's where the agent puts it out there. Sometimes it's how it's being put out there. A lot of those things could all be factoring into that. But long story short, the marketing could be the other potential issue that's keeping you from selling. So pricing or product issues and then marketing, those are your 3 big ones. Obviously, if you're struggling with selling your house, we're here to help. We meet with people all the time who have tried to list with someone else and struggled and then come to us and found success. So we'd always love to help you. Or if you don't have it on the market and you want to sell it, hey, that's what we're here to do. We're here to do a world-class job for you. So check us out on the web, ryansmithhomes.com, or give us a call here at the office, 254-213-5335. Once again, 213-5335, ryansmithhomes.com. I'm Ryan. Always a pleasure hanging out with you, talking real estate, and look forward to catching up again soon.